So
still waiting for it to come here. I can't see it. Mhm. Oh yeah, one second. Am I audible in the live? Yeah, I am audible, but I can't hear you in the live.
can you hear now on the live? Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah. In the live, you're audible now. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for confirming that.
There
Okay.
there was like 3 second delay.
How many second delay?
3 second delay. There was like 3 second delay.
How many second delay? Okay, cool. So as we are audible and fine, I think we are ready to go live with everyone. Okay, so yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Premjit. I am the game designer at Battleworks right now, and we are building a shooter game, mobile shooter game. And let me introduce myself. I have 5 plus years of experience in free-to-play mobile game, and I did work on a couple of good companies in India. So my first company was Moonfrog Labs, and there are other companies like Lila Games, GameStream, Game Vision, and Kalagato. So we are doing live stream here because we want to show you guys the progress of our new shooter game. So we are gonna come live here and present or share whatever we are doing for the shooter game. So Moksit is my colleague and he'll introduce now. Hi Moksit.
Hi, hello, thank you. So my full name is Mokshit Siudlal. I'm currently like a final year engineering student who will be completing my graduation in August. So basically this month. And currently I'm working as a game design intern at BattleBucks. I don't have as much experience as Premjit here, but I'm trying to follow their footsteps.
Okay, cool. You're gonna learn a lot. You just started your career, so so much
Yeah,
energy from your side. Okay, can you just tell us what we are going to do today while I'm
So
managing?
basically, So basically today, like we will be explaining through the live stream, like what our progress is on a shooter game which we are working on currently at BattleBucks. So if you don't know BattleBucks, it's like a skill-based game platform,
Yeah.
and currently in that platform we are working on a shooter game, mobile shooter game, and for that shooter game we have collected some design assets, or like we are working on the design assets on how to do it. So basically through this live stream we'll be showcasing you what we have done, and what are the approaches to like do the game designing stuff for a game development
Okay, cool.
at
So,
the studio.
yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
Moksit. So, let me just go through what we have done in past few days and what situation or current situation we are in right now. So, in past 2 to 3 months, we developed the uh, level of the game. So, we are not going big. We are just building a 4v4 shooter game right now.
Hmm.
First, we want to make it good mechanics and controls for the game. Then we'll expand our level and we'll try more features on the game. But what we did first thing was to making the player control, adding the guns, and finishing the small map. So the map we are doing is a miniature map. We do have small video on that. I think we should share with them Oxid, right?
Yeah, it will be helpful to them.
Yeah, cool.
Us-
So you do you want to play it here, or we just want to explain? I think we can play. It will be better for them to
I think,
understand.
yeah.
Okay, let me just search on YouTube.
Also, it will be nice to showcase them because I also worked on the video, so it will be like, yeah, my
So,
small amount of work.
so new days game designer they do everything.
Yeah, it will be really helpful to them as well, learning too much many skills from various backgrounds.
Yeah. So here's the video. So I'm playing the video. So this is the video we have created. Like Moxit worked really hard on this. Like he worked for 7 days after 9 to 5 job and lots of feedback. The good thing is you got so much feedback from entire team, right? The entire art
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
team, entire marketing team, everyone. So helped you. So it was
Everyone were so friendly and appreciative, so it was a good feeling to me.
yeah,
It gave me the satisfaction of making this video at the end.
yeah. You got so much feedback, not just in game design, but also in art and how to present thing beautifully and in simple way.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
actually really helpful for game designers.
Yeah. So in this video, we'll show the current situation. Rather, I'm explaining to you. That is boring. We'll just play the video and like show you guys the current state. And the next step, we'll be designing everything. I will try to show more live stream and share the progress with you from today. Yeah. Can you hear the video? Audio?
Yeah, yeah, it's audible.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Moxit, for the video. How proud are you with this video?
Actually, extremely proud considering like every aspect of it is was made by me, and also like in the first day itself, I got to see like not even in the first day. It was like literally in the first minute there
Oh,
were like 11 views. I was like, okay, not even
dude,
1 minute and
we
11
have
views.
91 subscribers in just one day.
Yeah, that's actually so great, such a great achievement. And
Yes.
even the live stream which you guys did went so well. There were so many feedbacks, so many questions asked.
Hmm.
It felt really good.
Cool. So in Battlebox official channel, you'll get this update, the official update. But in my channel, you'll get all the behind the scene, the BTS of game design, right? So let's just explain a little bit, Mokshit, what we have presented to them. So this is what I was saying. In this YouTube channel, you'll get all the official update. And here is the first look of the shooter game. 1 second.
The timing is really great, huh?
I'm back. Okay. What happened?
No, no, no. I was just talking to the audience saying that the timing was extremely great.
Okay. Cool. So this is our first look we were trying to show, but I think I don't know why you blurred it.
Uh, so basically, there's a point in why I blurred it.
Okay.
So in that specific clip, so we were showcasing the guns, how it works, and how the VFX of the guns
Okay,
work.
guns are coming soon, so we cannot reveal it yet.
Yeah, I didn't want to reveal it fully, so I made it blurred so that we can showcase in the next video.
Okay, cool. Now we call it Battleverse. So the name of the game is Battleverse. This is not just one shooter game in the platform. There are lots of other games in the platform, like hyper casual games, right? And some casual
Yeah.
games too. So like these are 1v1 or single player games. We are creating this shooting game because everyone can meet in one place and like they can play it together. It is a fun place to like hang out or play together.
Hmm.
That's why we are calling Battleverse. But this is not related to the metaverse thing. If people are confused. Okay, how
Yeah,
is
yeah, I can see why people can get confused with that. Name is slightly similar.
yeah, and the next thing is our map theme. So our map theme is miniature map theme where player are very small, tiny miniatures, and the obstacles and the level objects or props are in what do you call in huge size. There are similar games. We took references. So this is what we have developed in level design. This is just a block out and this
Yeah.
is what our player is playing. So there are some features we are trying to do, like how the level was designed for combat, for fun, and fun for chaos. So this
Chaos.
this is very small map, right? So very tight map. So there will be lots of chaos, I think.
The
Small,
idea is very unique that every character is so small, like fighting on a gaming table.
yeah,
Like compared to other games, it feels unique.
yeah. That's how we keep the map very small, so that like everyone can have the fast-paced game.
Yeah.
And I too very big fan of fast paced game. I don't like slow games. I don't know why. Like some people like it, but I like a less fast paced game. I recently played Rematch, the football game, and it was really fast paced, and I liked it so much. Okay, this is what how the theme was born. Can you explain it a little bit, Moxit? How the theme was born? So these are the references for other
So
game.
base
Yes.
So basically, what our idea was that, like, what if the game characters came out of a like video game and fought on the gaming table? So that was the basic idea of behind the game, and we had a few references from other games. If I do remember the name correctly, was it Hypercharge?
Yeah,
Hypercharge.
Hypercharge and Mini Battle Royale.
Yeah,
The
Hypercharge and Mini Battle Royale were the references which we took. Like they had like a similar idea where the characters were so small, they were fighting in a room, and there were all the other environment items were so big. So what we did was we took that similar idea and put it on a gaming table because most of the players who play our games are gamers, right? So they can relate to it the most, and most of the props around our gaming tables are like Xbox, Wi-Fi box, big monitor screen. So it will be like really like a unique idea, really fun. Looking
cool.
forward for its release.
Okay, then let's give them something how we started. So this was the basic layout I made when we started, right?
Yeah,
So
this 2D map.
yeah, 2D map. This is before everything. This is just a 2D idea for the entire map. I did some research on how other deathmatch map work. I did on PUBG, Valorant, and other
Hmm.
games. Most shooter games which have deathmatch.
Yeah, most of the maps they are showcased in top-down view, and even this like helps
Yeah,
in that way.
I found out that all the deathmatch map are symmetrical, as you can see,
Yeah,
right?
that is
So
one
yeah, see if
that
you
is one important aspect in a game. Like if it's not symmetrical, like sometimes what happens, the enemy side can gain advantage compared to the our side.
hmm,
So it will not feel the same fairness in the game.
yeah, the object placements are symmetrical, but when you go inside it, right, you'll not see these are symmetrical because we do have different theme on both sides. For
Yeah,
I think team B spawn we have PC area where everything, where all the props in the levels are designed according to placed according to the PC, and on the side A we have a console area where everything, the all the props are designed in a way that you can feel that is a console area. And in the middle, like there are keyboards, mouse, and other like some cans and everything where player can sit and enjoy gaming. And there are some
that's
speakers.
nice because like strategically the map is symmetrical, but looks wise it doesn't look symmetrical because we are using different props
Hmm.
on team A side and team B side. But size wise all the props are the same because we have to maintain the symmetricity, right? So that's a
Yes.
good thing.
Thank you, Moxit, for explaining.
I mean, you did most of the work here, so
Not me. We do have a very good level designer and 3D artist and concept artist.
yeah,
Like, there's so many people behind this, right? We must give credit
they,
to them. So
yeah,
every small thing you are seeing this, right? The what is this power bank? So these are all came from concept artists and came to the production with 3D artists. Then we placed it on the level. We tested it. We optimized it, the texture, everything. Then it came it
yeah,
here.
it was months of work.
Yeah, it was
So
lots of
shout out
work.
to them.
Yes, these are some combat feature. I think. Yeah, fair spawn, balanced combat, creative flanks, climb routes, open
Climbing
one
through.
area. Why we choose five, right? Five different uh, five different things here because we wanted player to have some strategy, right?
Yeah,
Okay, climbing routes, open mid area. This will make player make some strategy. That's why we added all these things.
it would have been boring if it was just a flat gaming table. So
Yeah,
like some climbing routes, some open areas, it would
some
add spice to
flanks.
the game.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
what I was talking about. The spawn areas.
or the PC area and console area. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, this is the last part. So level blockout is complete. We are working on. We are replacing blocks with concept art now. This is already done. Most of the things are done now. The video you are seeing is I think 2 weeks old. Now we are little bit ahead. So FPS
yeah.
performance is still going on. We have characters and character customization in our platform. So we are doing FPS testing with the new character and multiplayer things. What's next? Next is we have 10 plus weapons with unique mechanics. Also, we have character customization. Yeah, this is for the people who is gonna play the game and give us feedback to make the game.
Probably in the next video, which will be released, we'll be explaining about the guns which will be released, and in this channel, we'll be explaining about the, as Frenzy said, behind the scenes of creating all those guns and build
Yeah.
mechanics.
So developers are working right now on the gun system right now. We also the character. There are two things going on parallel. So whichever comes first, we'll do that.
Yeah, we
Okay.
have to optimize the work accordingly.
Yes. Okay. This video part is done. So we explained ourselves. We explained the video. I think it's time to work little bit. Moxit, it's time for us to work. So can you
Yeah.
explain little bit about this work right now? What are we doing currently?
So basically, for the shooter game, like more, we need buttons, right? We need the UI elements. We need the buttons. Like for example, let's say shoot button or jump button, but we can't directly like put random buttons into it. We need references from good games, right? So we chose like BGMI because BGMI is a mobile game, and at the same time, it's also so popular that many people play it. So it's a good game to take reference from. So this is one of the reference sheet which we have done. So basically, what we have done is we have segregated all the buttons used in the team deathmatch of BGMI, and we have provided the description of the game button, image of the button, and at the same time we have provided the position of the button as well, so that it will be easier for the person who's making the buttons into the game understand it easily and understand how it works and why it works.
Yeah.
So if I'm not wrong, I think BGMI has like 39 buttons in total.
Okay.
And
So
then,
let's go through one by one. So this is just for that match, right?
yeah, this
Yeah.
is just TDM.
This is just TDM buttons. So we want to break down every button on TDS, every UI elements on TDM match, so that we can have references when we create our TDM match wireframe. So as a game designer, we need to give wireframe to the UI UX team. Then they will implement it. Then it will go to the developers, right? So we need to make some decisions. So let's first go through it one by
Yeah.
one. Then we'll make decisions. Okay, Moksit, you can
Okay.
start.
Sure. So basically, first button which we have chosen here is the shoot button. Obviously, shoot button is 100% required in any shooter games. Without the shoot button, like the user can't perform the shooting action
Yeah, I
at
think you
all.
are you are
So,
explaining too much. We have so much
okay.
work. Yeah, I can see it. 40
Oh,
is, yeah, 38.
if I do that, probably we'll be staying here till midnight.
Okay, just you can just quickly mention what are the
Crouch
button.
button, which will help the shoot button to shoot the weapon.
Okay,
Crouch
I
button to
think
crouch and
we can do one thing. I'll just add one here, right? Just write default status. Right, this is default.
Mhm.
Okay, crouch button also default. Prone button they have in default. Okay, vault button, is it default on the gameplay screen?
I don't understand the meaning of default. Like, what do you mean exactly?
Okay, default means when you enter the game, these are already placed in your gameplay screen, which you can interact. Not happening with any interaction. These are default. It
Oh,
will always stay in your screen.
okay, okay. The vault button is also default.
Okay,
At least in BGMI, it is by
can
default.
you
Yeah.
do you have an image? Can you send me the image? We'll just check it here.
One second. I think I have the video, so probably I have to take the screenshot from the video and then send
Okay,
it. So,
just send me the video. So I'll just explain.
video itself.
No, no, just a screenshot.
Yeah, yeah. One second. One second.
I think we are pretending too much for live streaming. We just do our work, right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
You should get more comfortable.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sending the image.
Just send me a Slack.
Yeah, sent it.
Waiting. Okay, got it. Okay, so having a good big monitor is always useful.
Mm-hmm. Mm, yeah.
We don't need this. I just need this one. Okay, cool. So tell me, check your screen and just tell me this default, right?
Vault button is default.
Default.
Jump is also default.
Must mention button.
Hmm.
I think when you broke it down, I think you mentioned all the default button first. Do you remember?
Uh, I think it is more prominently shown in the Figma file because, like in Figma, when I was doing it, breaking
Okay.
it down. I did all the default buttons first, and
Okay.
then I did like whichever popped up later on.
Okay. But I think we can understand from the video, from the screenshot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's easy.
Okay. This what is this button? Peak
Uh,
peak button. Do you see peak button here?
yeah, that is also default.
Okay. This is what sprint.
Your face cam is like in between. Yeah, that is also by default. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just move little up. Oh god. Sorry.
Sprint button is default. Mic is also default mic button.
This is sprint, right? So
Yeah,
okay, this is with the joystick. If you move up and lock it, it will sprint.
that is like a separate button. So if you click on that button, it will sprint. But
Yeah.
if the character is already sprinting and if you click on that button, he'll start going in the normal speed.
And how do you like active this button? How do you turn it on? From settings?
Just by just by pressing on it. No, it's by default it's there.
Okay, cool. Not this is interactive. So you need to interact and make it happen, right?
Oh, okay, okay.
And
So that
where is joystick? You didn't mention joystick.
okay in the video, I think the joystick was hidden. That's why I
Joystick
couldn't.
is like when you touch somewhere on the screen, on the half side of the screen, left side, I think. Yeah, then it will show you the UI.
Yeah, and if you touch it on the right side, you can control the angle where you're seeing, where you're watching, like the
Okay,
angle.
the camera angle.
Yeah,
Okay, I think update that. You can update those things.
okay.
Okay, settings buttons is also default. Map UI is also default. Scoreboard
Mm-hmm.
UI. Where is scoreboard UI? The
At
top
the
one.
top one, yeah.
Okay, this is also default. Goals and timer UI.
That is also default, yeah.
And where is the score? This one, the left one.
The points showing 2 and 2 in the screenshot.
2 and 2. Okay,
Blue and red.
blue and red. Got it. KD ratio UI. Where did you see
That is
this?
also default.
Where can you see that? Okay, on top.
Top left,
Yeah, kills UI. Yeah.
default again.
Okay, assist UI.
That is also default.
In-game name tag. Is this
That
you?
is also. Oh, no, no, no. The screen recording which I did, it
Uh,
was like extremely laggy, so I used another recording.
okay. So in-game name tag UI. I don't
Yeah.
see. I don't see you. Where is your name?
This is another recording. This is not my this thing.
Okay. I'm just saying. Is this your name, Terra Bow?
No, no, no. That's what I'm saying. This is like someone's recording which I'm using.
Okay. Then in-game name tag UI you have added this. So
Yeah.
behind this there is a name.
That Terabao is a name. Yeah. That character's player's name.
You. That means you.
Yeah.
And where is the screen recorder name?
Screen recorded name?
Yeah. Okay. Leave it. I got it. Helmet and armor UI. Where can you see that? Bottom right. Yes.
Bottom right. Beside the health bar.
Okay. And health bar UI. Yes.
That is also default.
Okay. Weapon slot UI.
That is all. That is like it will be empty if you don't have any guns. But when you pick up guns, it will like fill itself.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
This,
But there is an slot, right? The UI is already
yeah,
there. Fire mode
yeah, yeah.
indicator UI.
That is only available when you have a gun. Otherwise, it will be hidden initially.
Active when gun is available. Pardon my spellings. Using too much grammarly. Throwable swords. Yes.
Then throwable slot also
Oh,
same.
I'm
It will
doing
be hidden.
I'm doing some mistake. Helper default, right? Weapon is default. Is that default? Throwable slot device default. I know. Damage active when hit.
Hmm.
Okay. This is helper damage. This is always default. Bar enemy highlights. What do you mean by having enemy highlights?
So like whenever the enemy comes in your screen, they usually have like a red or yellow outline on top of their body
Okay.
to identify them. It's usually in BGMI it's red by default, but you can change the colors as well in
Okay.
settings.
How do you write this? I understand. This is like when you play Call of Duty, they have this red light on their arms.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, how do you write this?
Active on visible enemies.
Enemy tag.
Hmm.
Highlight. Active enemy tag highlight. What is this? Crosshair. This is default.
Yeah, default.
Okay. And what is kill field? Kill feed, right?
Yeah, active either on death or on elimination.
Active on active on kills by any player. This for everyone. Whoever's like who kills who will just show in the UI.
Yeah, yeah.
Chat button is default. Spectate.
Spectate is active on death.
Active on that. Damage record. We don't need this. What is this? What is this?
That is basically after you die, it will showcase how much damage you did to all the enemies, how much damage they did to you, like that.
Okay, active on that only.
Yeah.
This was
Close proximity one is active whenever you get close to obstacles. Instead of crosshair, that will pop up.
okay.
It's just to showcase that you can't shoot.
Okay. Active on non-suitable props.
Yeah. Emote UI is again
What is the
default.
spelling of crosshair?
Crosshair. Did I say it out too fast?
It's fine. Nobody cares, man. Just play it just for the fun game.
Yeah.
Emote
It's
UI.
like
Does it
after a
matter?
movie.
Yeah. Does it matter like if I name so many things wrong, but my game is really fun to play?
Yeah, yeah, no one would
No
care.
one knows. If they can understand, I think too much
Yeah.
spelling wrong may go very badly, but if they can understand,
As
then it's
long
fine.
as long as our developers and our team understands, it's fine.
I think they understand. They
That's-
know my spellings. Yeah. Okay. So how about this emote UI?
That is also by default, yeah.
Why can you see that? I don't see.
It's beside the mic
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
button.
Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Scope is ADS, right? So this is also
Yeah.
must be default. Ping. Yes. Default. And achievement unlocked.
that is active whenever you unlock an achievement.
Okay, so now for PUBG it is done. What we'll do now? Once we are done,
Hmm.
we'll just green mark whichever we need for our game. So we might have not do everything, but we'll just select whichever we required in current state.
Okay.
Right? I understand the game, you understand the game, so we'll just select it out from so that it will help you to make mock-ups.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first we'll
Got it.
log out all the decisions. What are the UI elements or the feature or the uh, elements we'll have in our game? Then we can start doing mock-ups.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Just send me the Valorant images.
Valorant. I think Valorant have to send multiple images because the UI comes at so many different other places.
There are not too much elements, I think, in Valorant.
Valorant, like there aren't too many elements which we might take from them because it's like ability based game, right?
Yeah, so not same. But is there anything unique they do than PUBG? Yeah, this
Uh,
they have this. There's mostly same feature. Enemy highlight. What is these two thing? Enemy highlight and enemy silhouette reveal UI.
so basically, enemy highlight is just like that outline which I explained earlier in BGMI, right?
Hmm.
Red outline or yellow outline.
Yeah.
Silhouette is like if the player is standing behind a wall, you can't see them. But if you use a ability
Okay, got it.
and you can see them through the walls like that.
Got it. And enemy highlight is default whenever you see
Yeah, by
enemy.
default. Yeah.
Okay.
One second.
Are you sending the?
Yeah, I'm taking screenshot one second.
Okay. I think Mokshit, we can make a small video after doing the live stream. This is really good information for a shooter game designer or whoever developing a shooter game.
Mm-hmm. Screenshot. Yeah. I sent one. I'll send more because more are required for this.
Okay, I just have one. I'll not download this. I'll just open in Slack. But hopefully,
Hopefully no one joins.
no one joins. Getting a Slack call and like, hey, which game have more UI, PUBG or Valorant, on
Valorant.
gameplay screen? But this
Valorant.
doesn't look so crowded. The PUBG looks more crowded.
It's like BGMI has many UI elements at one time itself. But Valorant, it's like they have many UI elements like spread out. Like there are so many situations where it will
Yeah,
pop up.
got it, got it. In default, they don't have much, but like when you start playing with the
Mhm.
abilities and everything, you see more interactions, interactive UI.
Yeah, that's why I'm sending multiple images because like some UI is not there in one image.
Okay.
It will be there in the other.
Or if you can remember, we can just note it down here right now.
Okay, okay, I'll just tell it then.
Yeah, it will be too complex for us to check all the images. And if you want to
Hmm.
show, if you want to explain something, I'll just pull that image and present it here on the screen.
Okay. Health and armor points is by default it will be there.
Okay. See,
C
what is
C
C?
ability.
Okay, got it, got it, got it. This is with the keyword, right? You don't have to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I understand. Like because that was mobile, you have to
Hmm.
interact with everything on the screen. Because it is PC, there are so many things you can do by keyboard and
Keyboard.
mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
CEQ Ultimate, all are default.
I'll just write keyboard because we are doing this
Okay,
just for our game, right? So
okay, okay.
ultimately ability UI. No, but you have mentioned this UI.
Yeah,
I'll just say nah, not required, not required. NR
yeah.
means.
Actually, our game doesn't like
So why are we wasting time on
you.
this?
I just put every UI element just in case.
Yeah, yeah, it is good. Like we might have abilities on future, right? So you
Mm-hmm,
don't
yeah.
have to do it again. But yeah,
Ammo capacity is by default.
by default.
Actually, it will not be there by default. It will only appear whenever you pick up a gun or buy a gun.
And yeah, this is right. Tactical map
Yeah.
UI. This is
Tactical map UI is by default.
okay. What is this? Team score UI. It must be. Yeah, it is default.
That is also default.
This is active.
Kill field active on elimination or on death.
This is same.
Yeah.
Stage timer. Yeah, this is also default. We'll have timer.
Yeah, timer is there in our game. So
What is
yeah,
this final
default.
stage? What is this final stage?
In TDM in Valo, there are like multiple stages. So first stage you can only use pistols. Second stage is
Not required.
normal rifles
We
like
are
that.
not doing this complex thing right now. Credit currency.
That
Why?
is default.
Why? What they are doing with the currency in the deathmatch?
So basically, starting of the actually TDM doesn't have any use for currency, but they still showcase the UI. Even I don't know why.
Okay.
There's actually no use for it.
Okay, but we can show the reward, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's figure it out on Figma.
Hmm.
Ability direction. What is this? Ability direction.
Active when attacked.
This is ability direction or heat
So
direction.
basically, in BGMI, whenever you get attacked, right,
Yeah,
there's that red thing which
I
pops up
understand.
showcasing.
So in here, does it come from the ability? From
Yeah, that
from
yellow marker means it's from the enemy's ability, not by shooting.
so by shooting you get red.
Yeah, by shooting it's a red one. I think
Yeah,
I mentioned it somewhere else.
and yeah, see damage indicator, but there is no direction here. Is this the direction?
Yeah, actually that's a direction. Yeah, that's from like the right side.
Okay, where we were. This one. Oh my god. Okay, this is also
Then that is when active when our ability hits the enemy.
okay. Active when our ability damage the enemy. Okay, my mic is covering my eye
Hmm.
line for the keyboard. Heat indicator. See, oh, dude, this is the heat
Damaged
indicator.
one.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Now, what is this?
That is when they shoot it. Or the soul or one.
Yeah, what is this? These two look same. Damage indicator UI and heat indicator. Oh, this is for enemy, man. This is for enemy, I think. If you hit enemy, did you mention anything? If you hit enemy, how?
Actually, both are same. Like both are used to like indicate the direction where we are getting shot from.
Okay, we'll just have one. We'll just have one, so I'll just try.
Hmm. But that was for PGMI. This is for Valorant, right?
Yeah, we'll use the BGMI one.
Okay.
What is this? Soul orb ability indicator.
That is when you can use your ability. Like some abilities you cannot use always. So whenever you can use it, it will show that UI showcasing that you can use it now.
Okay, not required. What is this? Kill confirmation UI. Oh yes.
That will be kill confirmation will be nice if it's in our game as well. Like
Yeah.
for each kill, the sound effect will get like better and better.
Yes, boss. Ability duration. Okay.
That is again same. After you use an ability, you
Not
have
required.
like a time.
Weapon selection UI. Is it default?
Yeah, default.
Weapon selection UI. How it is default? I don't see any default.
It's like basically if even if you don't have any weapons, it will still show that you have a knife, only knife.
Okay, got it, got it,
It,
got it.
it is used to show like what weapons you have right now. That's it.
Okay, performance status. Okay, this is default, I think.
Oh,
Okay.
that performance status UI, it's not on by default. You have to like enable it in settings.
Oh my god. And buy phase and prepare UI.
That is like by default it will pop up during buy phase. Whenever you are in buy, like even in our game it will be there, I guess.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
that. See my default spelling.
DEFAULT. Copy paste.
This mic is blocking my eyesight on the keyboard. What is this template?
Teammate status UI, it's like it will be on top of your teammates head.
Okay, not required right now. We are doing free for all currently.
Yeah,
TDM
yeah.
stage 1 weapon. TDM stage 1 by. What is this?
In in Valorant there are like multiple stages, right, in TDM. Like that time I explained, right? First stage only pistols, second stage you can buy these weapons. So like
Okay,
that.
I think we need look at this one. I need to explain this one. Display small grid or list of pistols and gear to buy in stage 1 TDM mode. Okay, let's try this. Stage based weapon selection UI. What about this? Nothing.
That is like for the TDM stage one is just pistols, right? The stage base you can select any of the weapons after stage one is completed.
Okay, we are not going that deep. Weapon alternative fire details panels not required right now. Notification UI. What is this? Okay.
Notification is like it will pop up randomly at sometimes saying that okay you can't do this if you try to do something. Like in that image, it says no Sol
Yeah,
orb
yeah,
available. Like
got
I
it.
tried to use Reina's orb when I couldn't, so it showed that.
And what is this voice chat indicator UI? Who is this
If
person?
someone from our team is talking, it will show at the side saying that it's them talking, so that we know
Okay.
who's talking. Active on
And
active on voice chat. Active when someone talks. Yeah.
if someone is talking, are you gonna show them like who is the person?
Yeah, with the name and if yeah, in our game we can just show the name who's
Okay.
talking.
So
Respawn timer UI active on death.
active or respawn or death? Yeah, that.
Yeah, death. Because it after death it will show when we'll respawn, right?
Death. Okay, I think you didn't include this on PUBG.
Respawning timer.
Yeah, it was
I
not
don't
there.
think I saw the respawning timer there.
Okay.
I'll I'll check once again everything and update it again. Anyway, I had to update that sprint joystick, right?
Yeah, active after match end. What
That
say?
thing is active after death.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
Match end.
not even match end. It's just after death.
Kill feed history.
Yeah,
After kill feed history, this respawn toast machine will come, right?
that respawn thing will come in the center of the screen. This kill feed history will come on the left side of the screen. So both will pop up after dying.
Okay. And do something for match and screen
Match and screen. Okay, that
and
also I'll update.
result screen. Okay, there must be some flows like 2 3 screens or just some people some games does with just one screen, some does with multiple screens.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have this. So let's select. Okay,
Yeah.
so we want the suit button.
Yeah.
So I'm marking as
Green.
green. Crouch button,
Yeah.
prone
Crouch
button.
button also we can
We don't
use.
have bolt,
Pro.
not prone, no crouch. We don't
Crouch
have,
is also not required.
no, the level is not designed for crouch. We have jump button. Okay, reload button,
Yeah. Reload button is required, right?
inventory button. No, no inventory. Peak, no peak right now. We'll do when we do the battle
We
royale.
can make these updates later once we finish the base one.
And why I'm doing green?
Yeah.
I'm
Inventory
going.
button is not there.
Yes. Why are you letting me do mistakes?
Yours, there's a delay on the video. I didn't even know we were doing it green.
Okay, mic button will do.
Hmm.
Speaker mode button will do. Settings button will have.
Yeah.
Minimap will have. Score UI, yes. Goal and timer UI, yes. KD we don't kill, yes. Assist, no assist. Name tag,
Yeah.
yes. Helmet and armor, no. Hellbar, yes. Weapon slot. Do you need weapon slot?
Actually, we can hold only one weapon, right?
Yeah,
Currently.
currently,
I don't
yes.
think it's required then.
Yes, pistols also no. Fire mode indicator, no. Throwables, no throwables. Damage indicator,
No. Damage indicator is required.
yes. Health bar. What is health bar UI? Damage UI. Both are same, right?
It's basically showcasing like red color indicating that you're getting damaged.
Okay, got it, got it. Enemy highlights. Yes. Crosshair. Yes. Kill feed. Yes.
Yeah.
Chat. No. Spectre. No. No. Yes. This we already have. Emote.
Which one?
This
Emote.
close proximity warning UI. Scope. Yes. Ping. Yes. No achievement. Health and armor. This one you will have.
Yeah. No
No.
abilities.
Ammo capacity UI. Yes.
Tactical map UI. Yes.
Kill feed. Tactical map. Yes. Team score. We don't have team score. This is like solo, right?
Individual scores. Yeah.
Stage timer.
Yeah.
UI. Not required. Not required. Not required. Enemy highlights.
It's not
Yes.
individual. Yeah. Ability. No. Is it no enemy highlight? Yes.
Kill confirmation. Yes. Ability duration indicate. Not required.
No.
Weapon select UI. Not required. Buy face. Buy face. Yes. We're not buying, but gun selection.
So we can name it as selection, gun selection phase, something like that.
Yeah, I think this will be better use for us. This is smaller one, right?
Yeah.
We could use this. This is same. Not required. Not required. Notification UI. Yes. Boys. I don't know. We don't need this one.
Hmm.
Respawn timer. Yes. This one also we need. Course also we need. Okay. Rest match and result. You can add it here on bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Can we send me the Figma file for all this research you have completed?
1 second. Mm.
It's almost an hour, man.
1 hour preparation, 1 hour this.
I'm so surprised, like there are so many game designers who have some experiences, and there are some students who spend so much money to go in game design school, college, and university, and he was sitting with me here.
Somehow made it.
Yeah, and you're doing really well.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Try doing my best.
Yeah, we are beyond game design now.
Hmm.
Send me.
I, yeah, wait. Yeah, I sent you. Yeah.
Okay, it's opening. Chameleon run.
The second page, I guess, in that.
Okay, this is what you did, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Shoot button, crouch button. Okay, I think we need to make a separate video for this. So much information.
Yeah.
Okay, got it, got it. This for Valorant, right?
Yeah. And this is BGMI, that is Valorant. Yeah.
Cool. Mokshit, uh, let's end the live stream. So almost
Yeah.
11,
Even
right?
I have to go eat dinner.
Yeah, okay. So let's try to do 1 hour every day.
Okay, okay, cool.
Okay, and like we have made decisions right already. So tomorrow morning we'll sheet and we'll start doing the mock-ups and start doing the designing. What are the things we need? Finalizing everything, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'll try
Okay.
to finish that fast because I have to edit that other live stream video also.
Okay. How long will you take to finish that?
This mockup
No, not mock-up. That video.
video, it's almost done. Like I have to work on outro and SFX. Only those two things are left.
Okay. Cool. Just say thank you to everyone. We'll be back again tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll discuss more on this. Like we'll show you the process. This is what. This is how we start for any features in the game, right? So Moxie, this is also your first time.
Yeah.
You're saying in the
So
game.
basically whatever we showed, that is the work I've done so far. I didn't get to explain everything in this just in this stream. So tomorrow we'll continue with explaining whatever was left.
Yeah.
And using these streams you can even understand how game designing like works, and you can also, if you want to become a game designer, probably you know what, you can watch these streams. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.